Antonio.
I'm here, my lord.
I'm sorry for you. You have to come defend yourself against a person who has no human feeling. He is a villain.
I have been told, my lord, that you have tried your possible means to save me. But as according to the law of Venice, nobody could save me from Sherlock. His mind is full of revenge. He wants to take revenge from me. Money is everything for him. So I am ready to face his violence with patience and with his utmost cruelty.
Go, Samuel, and call the train to the court.
He is already waiting at the door, my lord. He comes.
I have informed your gracious of my intentions, and I have taken an oath of Sabbath, the holy festival of Jews. So I can give no more reason, and I will not try to give any more than this, that I have a deeply rooted hatred for Antonio. So I pursue this unsuitable task.
This is not satisfactory answer at all. You unfeeling man.
I am under no obligations to make my answer please you.
Can no prayers penetrate your heart?
None of your prayers are clever enough to make.
Oh, you may be cursed street dog. You unfeeling man. You have soul of animal.
If you go on abusing me like this, but you cannot undo my bond. So, it's better to decide and make insult. It's better not to say all these things.
Here comes the doctor himself.
Enter Portia.
Do you come from Palladio?
Yes, my lord.
Do you know about the present case?
I have the full information about the case. Who's the merchant and who's the Jew?
Antonio and old Shylock both comes forward.
Is your name Shylock? Shylock is my name. The case you have brought here is quite of different nature, but still, the law of Venice cannot find any flaws in that. You have put yourself in danger, haven't you?
said.
Do you agree with the bond?
I do.
Then the Jew must show mercy. Why should I do so? Mercy is a blessing that cannot be compelled. It comes from every heart of the king. It is double blessed. It blesses the person who receives it as well as the persons who shows it. So Jew, as now you are demanding Antonio's part of the flesh in the name of justice. But remember, we all are the children of God and none of us will be spared. I take the responsibility of my own act and I ask for the penalty allowed by the law.